What is a program? A program is a sequence of instructions that tells a computer how to perform a computation. It could be solving a math equation, could be dictating audio to text, or could be generating 3D video. The details vary from language to language, but just a few types of instructions appear in virtually every language. First, input. Get data from somewhere. That could be the keyboard for the math equation, a microphone for the dictation, or a VR kit with, machines that track where you move your hands. Next, output. Display the math equation results on the screen, for example, or save the text to a file, or upload the 3D video to the internet. Also happening is math. Do basic things like addition and multiplication. Next, conditional execution. Look for certain conditions and follow associated instructions as a result. Finally, repetition. To do something multiple times, usually with some variation. Even a very complicated program is composed of instructions like these. The source for this material is Think Python by Downey, section 1.1. The book is available for free in HTML from Green Tea Press.